Looks like a tornado. We just heard trees breaking and like a freight train coming in.
I had never seen nothing like this before. For about 30 seconds, and then that was it. I'm blessed that everybody did not get hurt or anything like that.
We were going to leave and the car was, flooded like halfway up to the windows almost. Whenever I saw the flash flood warning, we get it all the time, so I never thought that it was actually gonna be, I need a boat to get out of my apartment complex.